our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we will be doing this module, that is Platform App Builder Certification Maintenance Winter 25 release. So if you have already done this certification, that is Platform App Builder, your maintenance might be due and you can check that on the Trailhead profile of yours. And if not, then you can you might be receiving mail as well regarding this. And for this module link you can check the description box as well. So let's get started with the first unit. I'll click on start, and our first unit is maintain your platform app builder certification for winter 25. So you can go through all the highlighted topics in here, that is configure record highlights in lightning app builder, which is nothing but we have introduced, or might say Salesforce have introduced a new way to have record highlights. We can change the fields in that as well. Then create or update records efficiently with the create records element, that is like this in the flows. Then restrict user input on screen components with the disabled and read only fields. Manage details about a user in one place. So let's come to the quiz. Our first question is, what are the advantages of using the dynamic highlights panel to configure fields in the lightning app builder? First option is, the panel can show or hide fields based on visibility rules. Second is, it allows the addition of custom icons to the field names. Third is, fields can be configured right in the lightning app builder. So A and C is the correct answer. Second question is, what enhancement was made to the flow builder create records element? First option is, it creates a record following a check duplicate step. Second option is, it can be used to create or update multiple records using a record selection. Third option is, it creates or delete records based on the specified field value. Fourth option is, it merges, retrieves and creates records into one element. So second option is correct, that is, it can be used to create or update multiple records using a record collection. Third question is, true or false? When the disabled field is set to true, users can't modify that field in the screen component. So that's correct. Fourth question is, what is displayed on the improved user access summary page? First option is, the selected users assigned permissions. Second is, public groups or queues that the selected user is added to. Third is, the leads and accounts assigned to the selected user. So A and B should be the correct answer. Let's check. And it's correct. Let's move on to the next unit, that is get hands on with conditional formatting in dynamic forms. So whatever we have learned in the previous unit, we will be implementing it on using this hands-on challenge. So let's first launch our playground. Then what we need to do, we need to navigate to the sales app and edit the contact record page and leave default as is. So what we'll do, we'll just come here, then search for sales app, search for contacts, open any one of the contacts, then click on edit page. And we need to name it as contact record page. And first we need to remove the standard highlight panels, that is this is the standard highlight panel. I'll click on delete, then search for dynamic highlight panel, and from fields tab, this is here, I'll just drop it, and name is selected as the primary field on the component. Then the following action buttons on the component should be there, that is edit and delete. So I'll search for it, that is edit, done, and delete, done. So these buttons are added. Then we need to drag the following fields into the dynamic highlights panel, that is title, account name. So title, account name, phone, email, contact owner, then we have level. Yes. Next we need to just save it and then activate it as org default. Save it. Let's go back. And you can see the panel is changed, highlighted panel, and we'll check our challenge. So it's done. We have completed our module, that is platform app builder certification maintenance winter 25 release. And I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you are facing any issue. Thank you. Stay tuned.